We've talked a bunch of times about being able to run two-wheel drive low range and removing that interlock pill. I'm putting new gaskets in this case, so I thought it'd be a good time to show you how to do that. You need to remove the detent caps from both sides. It's a little spring and a ball and this cap. So take both of those out. Remove all the bolts, there's 6 of them. Take the nut and the yoke off. Remove the shifters. Before you do that, you want to put it into 4-wheel drive, low range. When you do that, this housing will slide right off. So you want 4-wheel drive, low range, and give it a little bump, and it will come right out. The 4-wheel drive selector shifter will stay in the front housing, the front bearing retainer, and the high and low selector will remain in the case. Since I'm not disassembling this whole case, that's fine, and we'll save that for another video. So now that's apart. Set that to the side. Well, actually, we might as well do it right now. So your interlock pill is right inside there. So we can pull this selector out now if we want. So pull this outer shift rail all the way out. That's the 4-wheel drive selector. Don't lose that. Now the interlock pill is on its way out. Right there it is. So just as easy as that. If you have your transfer case out of the vehicle, you can do this in like 10 minutes. So get rid of that. 2-wheel drive, low range.